What's up, Toosters and two bets? Y'all know what's going on. Y'all already know it's whip of the week, whip of the week. Man, look what we got in. What this is, 71, 72 Chevelle Super Sport. Red with a white wig. Red with a white wig. About to get the guts together. We got it all about gutted out. Finna knock out this headliner. Put that suede wolf up there. What we gonna call this one, Pancho?
Red car.
The red car, of course. We got a couple red cars. Red with a white head. What about Ric Flair?
Red Flair, yeah.
Ric Flair. I like Ric Flair.
Yes.
Okay, Toosters, introducing Ric Flair.
Yes.
White head. Slap him around a little bit, he turn red. Okay, Ric Flair it is. Ric Flair got a nice little 350 in him. He biting a little bit. Ric Flair. I like Ric Flair. Oh, we about to get this thing color matched. You know we got some Folgers for it. Take off them Kragers. We'll take them Kragers off, man. Throw some 6x9s in the rear. A couple 6.5s in the front. Build a custom little console. Nice little custom console, bucket seats. Nothing crazy. Just tastefully done. Get all this shit out the back in the trunk. See what all we gonna keep. Damn, I thought I seen something move over there, Pancho. I'll let you finish looking. Throw his little double D in there. Booyah! Ric Flair it is. Got his little pieces. We found the rest of the pieces he need. We finna get on Ric Flair ass, ain't we? So Pancho cutting the board for the headliner. You got one board for the headliner. We'll make a little dome light. You know, clean it up. It is a super sport. It is a Stitch by Slick edition. Man, we're gonna throw a few LEDs in the doors, a few on the console, maybe some in the rear deck. Give him a little flay, let him get on down the street. I'm gonna show y'all them forges here on the next video. We get them things mounted up and through on. So me and Pancho gonna be back after we get through whooping Ric Flair ass, ain't it, Punch? I'm gonna keep y'all updated, man. We'll be back in a minute.